Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Faza Shidiq Ahyat. I'm from accounting class I2. My ID name 0311120057. Okay, here I will present novel entitled Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. Author Richard Russell Riordan Jr. is the author of the series Percy Jackson and the Olympians. Okay, orientation. The Lightning Thief is the first series of Percy Jackson novel. This novel was first published in 2005 in the original English version in the United States. This first Percy Jackson series won the New York Times Notable Book Award in 2005. Became a New York Times bestseller. Winner of the 2008 Mark Twain Award. Winner of the 2006 Askews Torchlight Award. And a host of other awards. His book is saved. This book has been translated into Indonesian and was first published in Indonesian in 2008 by Mizan Fantasi. The widescreen film was released in February 2010. Riordan, the writer, packs stories based on mythological stories that are full of adventure and truly unexpected events. Character. Here are some of the characters and their characters. Perseus or Percy Jackson, kind, brave, honest, smart. Grover, bold, loyal, seeker. And Annabeth Case, nerdy, studious, skilled planner, smart look. Castellan, traitor, likes to steal, cunning. Chiron, a good guide, a wizard, compassionate, and a good Poseidon with fire brave. Masih banyak lagi sih karakternya, ini cuma beberapa aja yang disebutin. Setting place in Mount Olympus, Hollywood, and Empire State Building. Complication. The god Zeus' lightning has been stolen. Percy is accused of being the thief and Percy is the main suspect. Percy and his two friends only have 10 days to find and return the scarred object and prevent a war that is about to break out on Mount Olympus. Since then, he has to face an adventure that he never imagined before. Percy has to fight various monsters and meet the gods from Mount Olympus, who apparently still exist in modern times. Resolution. After the battle across Manhattan, Percy swingingly kills Luke, then returns the thunderbolt to Zeus and reconciles with his father Poseidon. After being reunited with Grover, Percy and Annabeth keep training. Moral values. This novel conveys the message that hateful, anger, and revenge will only destroy everything. Life is only made for revenge until whenever it will never end. This novel also contains a message for us that when And when we meet new people, we should always be vigilant because we don't know what he will intend for us, well intentioned or otherwise. Thanks, personal novel dari saya. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.